Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how you can fix or you can change your birthday in your Roblox. So this process is actually quite simple, but make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. Without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you can do is to tap into your Roblox app on your device, and then just make sure that you are currently logged in into your account. And after doing so, if you're already on your Roblox, you can go ahead and open or tap onto the three dots that is available on the lower right part of your screen. So right here, and then just scroll down until you see your settings. So tap into your settings and then go into the account information or account info, and then just wait and load it for a few seconds. And then in here you will be able to see on the bottom part, or you just scroll down and you will be able to see your personal details. And the first section is is your birthday. So you can go ahead and change this right here, or your birthday. So after before you can change your birthday, you actually need to type in your password first. So just make sure that you have your password or you memorized your password, and then you can just change your birthday just like that in your Roblox. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.